All right. Did you say you wanted an East Village walk-up? Well, here we have a fourth floor, so 3 flights up from a very beautiful street down in the East Village. Restaurants around. It's B and 11th, I believe. 3 separate rooms in addition to this living sort of kitchen area, and of course the bathroom. Let's take a look. So this is, as I said, the living. So it's got a window here. Got another window here, which is not very bright, but the one window does give you some light. This is a quiet room. It's for living, dining, TV watching. Here is the first room that is probably for bedroom. It faces, I believe, south. No, it might be north, but it's very bright. And these rooms overlook gardens and such. Between buildings, there's a street. It's a good sized room. You do get a space for a queen size bed and some area around it, and obviously you could put a desk on this side. The outlets next to the window, if you wanted that. It's great work from home space if we need that. I don't know how much longer we do, but there's no telling. Back to the living space, and a really beautiful kitchen with granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, including a full-size Frigidaire, a little bit of counter space, beautiful faucet. Look at that. You can get some really nice work with that. Full gas range. Not a full size, but decent size. 24, 20 inch, I forget. They also give you a microwave and a beautiful fridge with stainless steel. It's very new. Everything is clean. Little drawers there, glass. And we go down through the rest of the apartment. You've got your switchboard here to allow people into the apartment. And a bathroom which has a very nice sink. It's a beautiful feature here. Full tub and a window and a very large mirror. Look at that. And a separate vanity. And it does come with a toilet, so don't worry about that. But it's a pretty bathroom in terms of the tiles and definitely the basin. Here is a quiet room. This is for a quiet person. Got a closet. It does have a window with some air. I could get a queen size bed in there, but not much else. Maybe a small side table. And here is the master bedroom. Very bright, very spacious. Windows out onto the street. And easily king size, more furniture, place for AC over there, bedside table, maybe a desk there, got an outlet, and some nice street views. Look over the tops of some buildings as well, and nice little closet. So there you have it, 3 separate rooms, plus living, dining, kitchen, and a bathroom. If you would like this lovely East Village apartment or something like it, call me Christopher Butt at the Corcoran Group. I own the video and the elite team. My colleague Laura Greco will be the one handling these apartments. So if you did want to see anything or something similar in the area, she'd be happy to help you. 917-721-0202, the elite team at the Corcoran Group.